Hello, my students. How are you all doing today? I hope you are well. Today's I can statement says I can find the greatest common factor of two numbers. If you haven't done so already, please go back to yesterday's assignment and copy that into your notebook. It just will help you memorize and remember those numbers and be familiar with, or memorize those words and help you be familiar with the vocabulary that we're working on in class. So today, you do have this video, GCF 2.0, and then you have a maze assignment, which is kind of fun. It says list. So let's get started with our bell ringer. First of all, list all the factors for 20. So to do that, we start with our broadest pair, 1 and 20. Then we go 2 and 10. And then we go 4 and 5. Because we ran into ourselves, we know we found them all. We went in order 1, 2. Now 3 didn't work. I know my multiplication fact, so I know 3 is not a factor of 20. And so that's how I knew to go on straight to 4. And then my next number is 5. Well, that's on the other side of my horseshoe. If you think about, going in between, you run into yourself. It's from last week's lesson. I was trying to find something to write on, but I don't see anything. So, all right, let's talk about factors of 18, 1 and 18. Then you have, look, I can go in order, 2 and 9. And what happens to my guardrails, they shrink in. And then I go 3. Well, 3 and 6. The only other numbers I need to check are 4 and 5, because those are the numbers in between 3 and 6. Well, 4 is not a factor of 18. 5 is not a factor of 18. So 6 would be the next number, and it's already on the other side, so I know I found them all. You see how it's on this side? So I went in order. 1, 2, 3. 4 and 5 didn't work. 6 is on this side, so I know I found them all. And then you have to just look carefully. What is the greatest common factor? What is the largest, greatest means largest, number that's on both lists? So that answer is 2. So 2 is the GCF of 20 and 18. I hope that makes sense. 1 is not the greatest common factor because it's not the greatest. It's a common factor, but it's not the greatest. All right. The next part of this assignment, this is fun. If it'll scroll down here. Come on, little fella. It says begin at the start and follow the correct answer to the next question. And you're going to drag these little arrows over to help you find your way to the finish. So we're going to start down here, and notice the GCF of 12 and 6 is 6. So that tells us we're going up. Now we got to find the GCF of 14 and 18. So you might make your list on your notebook or on a sheet of paper. So it's either going to be 2 or 7. So the correct answer is 2. 2 is the GCF. So I'm going to take this here little arrow, and I'm going to drag him over, and he goes right there. So my next problem then is 35 and 25. So the GCF of 35 and 25 is either 25, 5, or 6. And then you take that arrow and you point, and so the GCF of 25 and 35 is 5. And so that tells you your next problem. And that would be 18 and 27. And you're going to do that until you get to the finish line. I hope that makes sense. All right. Have a blessed day. Try this. If you get stuck or have problems, just message me. Today's code word for the hey, I watched this video is Tippy. That's our other dog, Tippy. All right. Have a blessed day. I'll see you tomorrow.